Welcome to Digital Learning. Myself, Dr. M. Kumar. In this video, I am going to explain about analysis of AES. Features of AES. AES allows for the three different keys length, that is 128, 192 and or 256 bits. Encryption consists of 10 rounds of processing for 128 bits keys, 12 rounds for 192 bit keys and 14 rounds for 256 bit keys. Except for the last round, in each case all other rounds are identical. Each round of processing includes one single byte based substitution step, a row wise permutation step, a column wise mixing step and the addition of the round key. The order in which those four steps are executed is different for encryption and decryption. To appreciate the processing step used in single round, it is best to think of a 128 bit block as consisting of a 4x4 matrix of bytes. Therefore, the first 4 bytes of a 128 bit input block occupy the first column in the 4x4 matrix of bytes. The next 4 bytes occupy the second column and so on. The 4x4 matrix of bytes shown above is referred to as the state array in AES. AES also has the notation of a word. A word consists of 4 bytes, that is 32 bits. Therefore, each column of the state array is a word as in each row. Each round of processing works on the input state array and produce an output state array. The output state array produced by last round is rearranged into a 128 bit output block. Unlike DS, the decryption algorithm differs substantially from the encryption algorithm, although overall the same steps are used in encryption and decryption. The order in which the steps are carried out is different, as mentioned previously. AES, notified by NIST as a standard in 2001, is a slightly variation of the original cipher invented by two Belgian cryptographers, John Dieman and Vincent Gimman. A replacement for DS was needed as its key size was too small. With increasing computing power, it was considered vulnerable against exhausting key search attack. Triple DS was designed to overcome this drawback, but it was found slow. The three main characteristics of AES are security, implementation, simplicity and cost. AES was designed after DS. Most of the known attacks on DS were already tested on ES. The brute force attack AES is definitely more secure than DS due to the large size key. Statistical attack, numerous tests have failed to do statistical analysis of ciphertext. Differential and linear attacks, there are no differential and linear attacks on AES as yet. Implementation. AES can be implemented in software, hardware and firmware. The implementation can use stable lookup process or routine that use a well-defined algebraic structure. Simplicity and cost. The algorithm used in AES are so simple that they can be easily implemented using cheap processor and a minimum amount of memory.